Welcome and welcome back. Today is all about butterflies, specifically pink butterflies. Pink and black are my favorite colors, in case you couldn't tell. So this entire set will be pink and black using various nail art. Nails are prepped, tips are cut, and we have a thin base layer of clear acrylic, so let's get started. I'm starting off with these Jamberry nail wraps. The print is called Butterfly Kisses. I'll be applying them to the thumbnail and the middle fingernail. I have a video that I did a little while back of me using the Jamberry wraps for the first time. And even though I liked them and I went and got more, including these, I struggled with them. They were kind of hard to stay in place and they wrinkled and creased around the edges, and I had to keep trying to push out the wrinkles, and I was worried that these were going to be the same way, but they were the complete opposite. The material was different on these than the other ones, so I guess that's why, but they went on smoothly and they stayed on, and there were no creases. I didn't have to push out air bubbles or anything, and they were really easy to work with, and I like how they turned out. If you want to see my first struggle attempt using Jamberry wraps, I'll link that video in the description. Once I got those wraps all in place, I encapsulated them in clear acrylic. I did leave the excess of the wraps on the sides just so that they stay in place while I encapsulated them, and then I can just file them off later. For the index finger, I'm taking a very small, very wet bead of clear acrylic and this pink glitter, and I'm going to apply it to the tip of the nail and then spread it out towards the base. Then I have this butterfly glitter in pink and black. I'm going to apply those all over that nail and then encapsulate the whole nail in clear acrylic. Next, I'm taking these pink butterfly nail decals and I'm gonna apply those to the ring finger. Now these aren't your typical water decals. You don't submerge these in water and then slide the back off. What you do is apply these face down to the nail first and then wet the back of it. So I have a wet cotton pad here and I'm just gonna push down on that and soak the back of the decal, and then that back is just gonna slide off. So I have 2 decals that I'm putting on that nail, and then I'm gonna encapsulate that nail in clear acrylic. And finally, for the pinky, I'm taking a small wet bead of clear acrylic and using that same pink glitter that I put on the index finger, and I'm going to cover the whole nail in glitter and then encapsulate it in clear. Alright, that's it. All done. This is the final look. It is butterfly. Get it? Butterfly. Now? Okay. Well, just let me know in the comments which nail is your favorite. And please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked this design. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and click the bell so that you get a notification as soon as I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.